Her next chapter is peace. Not silence, not giving up, not disappearing. Peace. The kind that comes after you fought battles no one saw and cried tears no one heard. She's done explaining herself, done chasing people who never showed up for her, done carrying weight that was never hers to begin with. Now she wants mornings that feel light, people who feel safe, and days that aren't a war with her own mind. She's not bitter, just wiser. She's not cold, just protecting her warmth. This version of her doesn't beg, doesn't break, doesn't settle. She simply breathes, chooses peace, and walks away from anything that disturbs it. That's her power now. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind, and don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.